After I got out of the United States Army, uh, I did in and out jobs, and during that time, my mom fell ill. My mother fell ill, and come to find out, she was diagnosed with a form of dementia. Uh, After that, I just got in the path to become a nurse, and here I am a nurse and taking care of folks with dementia and all kind of stuff. So I'm just giving back. Some of the participants that speak Spanish, first of all, they're scared because of the language barrier and all the stuff. Because at the dementia part of that part of the disease process, they go back, they revert back to the original language, which is Spanish, and they feel afraid because nobody else knows Spanish. And here comes in below, Max Powell speaks Spanish, and we connect and we talk, and it's awesome. I was born in Panama, and we have a participant that happens to be from Panama, and we are connected, and we talk about everything that's happened over there and everything that's going on, and we actually have a little group, a little group that we all speak Spanish. We have a lady, of course, I said the one from Panama. We have one from Cuba, one from two from Dominican Republic, a gentleman from Peru. So we have it all. So it's good. I share with them a lot of my family experience and my stories from my kids. I show them the pictures of my kids all the time. They love it. Like, Max, what are you doing this weekend? They love it because they're so used to me telling them what's happening this weekend. So they actually somehow they're follow me. They follow my. They sometimes they remind me of what's happening. Like, is your son have a baseball game or a soccer game? It's common. They always tell me, uh, you're gonna get old quickly, so enjoy your life. They always tell me, just enjoy your life.